vision into reality that is paving the way for enhanced learning experiences and opportunities for our learners. The digital classroom represents more than just technological advancement. It symbolizes our unwavering dedication to fostering innovation, creativity, and excellence in education. So with this state-of-the-art facility, we are very equipped to prepare our learners for the challenges and opportunities of the digital age. And so we look forward to harnessing the full potential of this digital platform to inspire, engage, and empower our learners to achieve their fullest potential. Together, we will continue to strive towards excellence and provide a nurturing environment where every student can strive. So once again, thank you for your outstanding contribution to our Southville AB National High School. Your support and collaboration are truly appreciated and valued. So more power and God bless.